In the dynamic and chaotic environment of Speed Week, a captivating image emerged, encapsulating the essence of the event. The Dowsets Cars TIPA 184, an unconventional Mazda MX-5 kit car, became the protagonist of this spontaneous and unscripted moment. As the rain poured down, the open cockpit of the TIPA 184 exposed the driver to the elements, creating an atmosphere of exhilarating driving amusement. Perched in the exposed cockpit, the driver navigated the car through the wet track, feeling an arc of metal threatening delicate anatomy. The hacked-about kit car, defying convention, stood out as a beacon of driving joy amidst the organized chaos of the event. The driver, embracing the unpredictable nature of the moment, found himself laughing uncontrollably, reveling in the sheer enjoyment of the experience. This unscripted episode was deemed worthy of capture, a deviation from the planned agenda that adds a layer of spontaneity to the highly organized Speed Week. The decision to document this moment led to collaboration with photographer Mark Riccioni, a fellow enthusiast unafraid of embracing unconventional ideas. Despite being soaked through and grinning like a loon, the driver pitched the idea to capture the TIPA 184 sliding through Hammerhead one-handed, while Riccioni shot from the tracking car ahead. The photographer, known for his eclectic car collection and a penchant for nonconformity, readily embraced the idea. As modern cars often respond harshly to sliding, the TIPA 184, with its balanced and friendly nature, proved to be an ideal candidate. Navigating Hammerhead in second gear, the driver unleashed the car's potential, creating the mesmerizing scene of controlled chaos. The image captured during this impromptu session, with the TIPA 184 gracefully sliding and spray flying, perfectly encapsulated the joy, spontaneity, and camaraderie that defined the unique atmosphere of Speed Week.